The other part of the geocon final is a rafter test, because rafters involve trig, pythag, similarity, all the good stuff. So they have to, they're gonna, I think, a 4-pitch on this thing, set it up at speed square, get their seat cut. Let's see your guys' rafter here. We're just doing it out of some scrap wood, and this guy will sit on the wall. I mean, that looks like a rafter to me, bro. That looks nice. Common mistake is folks end up using this part here, which is the hip valley, rather than the common. Looks like you guys use the common rafter though.
No hip valley.
What's the run for a common? It's something over, or it's like 4 over what?
12.
12. Okay, so common rafters are 412. Any idea what a hip valley is over?
16.
Close.
18.
Right in between. 17. Would you guys like to find out why?
Sure.
I mean, I would love to.
Yeah.
You know what a hip valley is?
No.
So have you ever seen the buildings where they come out at like a 45? Okay, look at those houses over there. See some of those bump outs?
Yeah.
Okay. Where the 2 roof lines meet and you get this 45-degree angle coming out. Let's draw this up. Are you ready? Can you hold this one right now? Okay. 12 pitches are common, right? So if I got 12, okay, and I got 12, I'm coming out at a 45 for those hip valleys, right? My commons are running this way, hip valleys running at a diagonal. If this is 12, it's a right angle, and that's 12. How might I get that right there?
Pythag.
Pythag. Look at that guy. So we got 12 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. What kind of angles do you think there are right there as well?
45.
45s. So there's actually 2 ways to use 45. There's 2 ways to do this. So I'm gonna show you guys both, okay?
Pythag and
Pythag, 12 squared plus 12 squared. Then we got to square root that. I raise it to the 0.5. I get 16.97, which is really, really close to 17. You guys remember your special right triangles, 45, 45, 90? What's the hypotenuse on that? We haven't covered that in a while. Square root of 2. If I took 12 and I multiplied it by the square root of 2, what do we get right there? 16.97, same thing. So that is why our hip valley run, these guys right here are on 17s, commons are on 12s, and then the hip valley follows from that. The more you know. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. All right, math.